Most people are losing thousands of dollars in their retirement accounts and they don't even realize it. If you're saving for the future the wrong way, you might be handing over a huge chunk of your hard-earned money to taxes instead of using it to build real wealth. But here's the good news. There is a secret that the rich, the wealthy, and those who are financially savvy use to grow their money tax-free. And it's called a Roth IRA. If you're not using it already, you're making a huge mistake. And in this video, I'm going to break down what is a Roth IRA, why is it such a powerful tool, and how you can leverage this tool to be able to start building real wealth. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. My name is Nick, and I'm very, very passionate about finances. My team and I have been able to help hundreds of people to improve on their budgeting, saving, and most importantly, leverage the compound interest strategies to be able to save and invest for their future. And having said all that, let's dive straight into the video. Benjamin Franklin once said that an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. And the best part is that when you combine this knowledge with that of the Roth IRA, you're not just earning interest. No, you're keeping it all tax-free and for life. Step number one, we need to understand what is a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a special retirement account that allows you to invest, grow your money, and even withdraw it tax-free when it comes to retirement. Unlike a 401k whereby you pay taxes later, with a Roth IRA, you pay your taxes upfront, but the good news is that your money grows 100% tax-free forever. And here are some of the key features of a Roth IRA. Number one, you invest your money after paying taxes, right? Number two, your money grows tax-free. Number three, when it comes to retirement, you can be able to go ahead and withdraw that money without any taxes. And number four, which is my best favorite, is that you control your investments, which means that you can invest in stocks, in ETFs, name it. If you're not using a Roth IRA already, you're missing out huge time on years of free growth. Now let's dive into the main benefits of a Roth IRA. Number one is tax-free growth. Imagine investing $100, right? And this amount of money grows up to $100,000 over time. But with the Roth IRA, you're able to keep the whole $100. But whereas when it comes to other accounts, you take a huge cut that goes into taxes. Number two is flexibility and emergency withdrawals. Unlike a 401k, with a Roth IRA, you're able to withdraw any of your contributions without any penalties, which makes it a perfect match for any emergencies. Number three, no RMDs, which stands for required minimum distributions. Number four, it is perfect for young investors, especially if you're in your 20s and your 30s. You have a whole decades of time to be able to grow your money tax-free. And Warren Buffett once said that the stock market is designed in a way that it takes money from the active to the patient. The secret of investing in Roth IRA is to be patient, invest consistently, and let compound interest do its magic. So how do you actually start? Because it's way easier than you think. So step number one, you have to pick your brokerage account, such as Fidelity, Vanguard, or even Schwab. So step number two is to fund your account. For this year of 2024, you can contribute up to $7,000 per year. And for those who are older, are 50 years and above, you can contribute up to $8,000 per year. And to get started, by the way, you don't need a whole lot of money. Even if you have $50, it is far much better than nothing. Step number three, invest in smart assets such as ETFs, growth stocks, or even dividend stocks, and let compound interest do its magic. And step number four is to make sure that you automate your contributions. For example, if you choose to pay or even contribute $100, make sure that you automate this process so that every single month you can consistently contribute to your account. And Dr. Ivan Misner once said that ignorance that is on fire is far much better than knowledge that is on ice. So now that we've been able to learn what is a Roth IRA, right? What are some of the benefits of the Roth IRA and how to step by step go ahead and open up a Roth IRA, now it's incumbent upon you guys to be able to take action and make sure that we leverage this great retirement account. And having said all that, you guys should go ahead and let me know in the comment section below, are you using a Roth IRA already? And if it's not, what is it that is stopping you? And having said all that, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.